guys. Let's start with this chair because in case I'm losing strength, I will just figure out to fall enter. Anyway, we come with, they bring our chair along. So let's start. So I can't wait to check on my things. But even this chair, they don't spoil them. Anyway, let's see the one that remains. I see one person commenting, why did we come with our chair? Go and Google what is 30,000 rupees in India. Okay? And let me know when you buy something that costs almost 30,000 rupees and it's not up to even 6 months. And you will not leave it. You will not go with it. So let me know. Because for me, I don't understand you. Anyway, I have chair. Then I will come and buy the same chair over here. As I don't understand. Because sometimes on a map, I know they just follow on a ring. I buy whenever this come out 3 months. I know they say 3 months, whenever this come out 6 months, check my previous video when we come out that our former house when we come up here. And check how long. And check when I buy all this thing. 100K. I have to talk like say if I go do like that. See chair. See my chair. New chair like this. Very, very new chair. How you dey comment? It's your mouth alone. Go find the chair for market. Come back and let me know. They keep this cap on. I never even know. This one for this one. So they have already come on one leg of my chair, which is not so. I'm not happy with it. One leg has pulled out from here. I don't know what we'll do next, but we're going to find how to fix this one. So that is only what's square from here. Look at this chair. New chair. Very, very expensive and good quality. I go to comment why we go carry chair, why no go buy chair. So if I want to buy another chair, we leave this one and throw it away. Okuluka. Anyway, let's continue. Something like this, I don't know. Let's open this one. I don't know what is there. But I think this one is closed, which I will open later. I'll open this one last. But let's open the melting, I beg. All those ones when I just said. Now something we're not supposed to break. You can see how they take off. Look at our chair. Our hand making chair is here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Bring all this up. Sure. Yeah, she's going to bring all this up inside here. Good. This one is our hair fixing chair. My best not the famous one and they make it. Anyway, this one are normal. Okay, this. Oh,